Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a brand new Call of Duty mobile mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. You're going to love this because it gives you unlimited COD points. Yes, unlimited. And there's even more cool features packed inside the mod menu. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss a thing. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest mods and hacks. Alright, so here's how it works. Once you open the modded game, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap that and it opens the mod menu. From there, you can activate unlimited COD points and watch your balance instantly max out. It's super smooth, no glitches, just pure power to get the best weapons and skins right away. Now, to get this mod on your phone, just open any browser, whether it's Chrome or Safari on iOS or Android, and head to the webpage tweakcake.com. Once there, either use the search bar or scroll through the site to find the Call of Duty mobile mod. Click on it and follow the simple installation steps. The instructions are clear, so if you have any questions, the site has you covered with extra guides. The whole process is quick and easy. Thanks for watching. If this mod works for you, drop a comment below to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Catch you in the next one.